Hello students, today we have a very special guest. He is a biologist whose discoveries have contributed greatly to the biology field. Please help me welcome Francois Jacob.
Hello students, it is my pleasure to be here today. We'll start off sharing a little bit about my background story, and then I will go around and answer your questions. I was born on June 7, 1920 in Nancy, France, and I was the only son of my parents. As I was growing up, my dream was to become a surgeon. Working towards that dream, I attended the University of Paris, and I started working towards a medical degree. However, due to World War II, I had to cut my studies were cut short, and I had to go and fight in war. So I left to London, and I joined the Free French Army. During war, I suffered some injuries which impaired my hands. Therefore, my dream of becoming a surgeon was killed. After that, I did not know what to do. My dream, all I ever knew was that I wanted to become a surgeon, and now that I could, and since I couldn't, I didn't know what else to do. Since my dream was killed, I still decided to continue with medical school, and I finished it with my focus on research. Now, how did I get into research? Well, while I was in school, I was working at the National Penicillin Center. There, I met some friends that were studying genetics, and they kind of brought me into that. So, I kind of moved my focus there. I was like, why not try genetics? After working at the National Penicillin Center, I later worked with Andrew Loeb in research, and where I was assigned to study phage. Through this research is how I discovered transcription, which led to my next few discoveries. While researching, my friend and I, Jacques Monod, figured out we were studying the same thing, transcription, repression. We got together, brought our research together, and we discovered the switch that turns beta-galactoside syntheses off and on, which earned us our Nobel Prize. Through this discovery, we began studying what makes genetic information get transferred. After our findings, we proposed new concepts like regulatory sites of genes and mRNA. Our biggest finding, however, was mRNA, the arbiter between DNA and proteins. mRNA led to the development of the Jacobs-Monod operon model, which explains that structural genes on the DNA that code that the messenger RNA carry the code that the messenger RNA delivers to the ribosomes, which makes proteins. I then worked with Sidney Bronner to prove this finding. Now, that is all I have to say about my little background story. Now, do any of you guys have any questions that you guys would like me to answer? Now, any of you guys have questions here?
Do you feel your discoveries have helped the biology field a lot?
I believe so, especially because one of my greatest discoveries with Jacobs-Monod mRNA, it is now part of the central dogma of biology. So yes, I believe that specifically that mRNA has helped biology out a lot. And understanding how DNA and transcription and all of that works. Anybody else has questions? Questions? Yes?
What has been of your life now? What do you do?
Well, I am currently married to my wife. I have 4 children. But right now, I don't really do research much. If I do research, it's just to write books, because my main focus now is just writing books on all my past findings of what I've done, and that's what it basically is. I have 4, 5, 6 books out right now One's an autobiography, and the others are all just books based on my research. That's basically it.